Starting lineups presented by Buenas. And Macaloni starts alongside Bajío and Magbuhos. Siyempre,
Titira daw siya ng titira.
Manzo got hit by Bajío, but JB Bajío, a very forceful drive.
Talk about a grown man.
Costello grabs the rebound. And Hernandez is down.
He is.
Bitoon para makapaglaro sila Vince Magbuhos at Jay Collado. Sabi nga ni Chris Bitoon, importante ay magtiwala sila sa coach's decision when they don't suit up for a game. Siguro focus daw muna sa pagpapahinga.
The last one.
Yeah.
In Pasig.
Oo. Ganda dun. Ganda ng partnership nila ni Robbie Manalang.
Correct.
And Ryan Costello continues. Bagsak si Montero, libre si Calo, corner 3. Pasok yan para kay Eman.
Corner 3 plus the smile.
Pass to Dada.
Nice move.
Osicos, mid-range J. Yes. 15-5 for the Cuyas. Dada. 3. Yes, sir.
He's a player. He's a player. The way he moves. I would have to Google him just to get a full picture.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Cosejo lays it in for 2.
A terrific, unselfish play. Consider.
Masyado mo nang kilala mga player dito. Alam ko nagko-cover ka since the first season.
Right,
okay.
right, yeah. He knows it. He knows it. Seguridad.
Yes.
Yung seguridad, that was at the height of the pandemic. At the height. Correct me if I'm wrong, as you see, a 3 by
Jabel.
Hindi na sila pinapasok kasi nga may nagpositibo.
Oo.
Yun.
And Jabel gets back-to-back 3s.
Grabe yun.
And they
Title, Marquee, Finals MVP. Who couldn't forget that?
Big shot.
The 3-point Hail Mary shot.
Tulliar knocks down the 3 from the corner na sabi ni June.
Top 2 players are still there. Serrano and Baltasar. But they changed the composition of their team.
Oo.
It's like 10 new faces.
End of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Robles.
Puesto si Robles.
Good cut.
Magliano, one-hander off the glass and in. Colliar swings it over to Collado for 3. No. And Maguliano. Robles. Left-handed shot, wala. Maguliano, the kick out to Colliar. The extra pass to MJ Ayay. 3-pointer, pasok yan. It's too many Webe Karandang.
Too unselfish.
Should have taken that shot. Colliar with a pickpocket and a finish. Robles kicks it out. Ayay, he gets it back. Corner 3, wala. Magbuhos with the offensive rebound and the basket.
Inside.
Long rebound. Long look pass. Oh, beautiful basketball. Galing sa Nueva Ecija. Ibanez spins. Goes to Karantang. 3-ball. Yes, sir.
A good job by spacing.
Costello is open. Ryan puts it in for 3. Simply ng play. And they were making a run in the third quarter. And the place was rocking even from the outside.
Totoo yan. And speaking of the outside.
Ang nakatanggap ng bola dito. 3 yan para kay Clark. Wala.
Oh, tinira niya.
Bayo inside and he puts it in for 2.
Probably was open to his left was lead. Karandang.
Crossover. Hernandez. Dada is open. 3. Yes.
Good-looking shot right there by the...
Binigay kay Big Boy against Clark Derigue. Big Boy forcing his way in. And he will eat. And he will get teed up.
Oh my gosh.
His halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original. Ano? Ang iksingan ng crossover na yun. And Hernandez puts it in for 2.
Care of the pass of Dada on this out of bounds under play. Hernandez right now with 9 points.
46-36.
Backdoor.
Ayay with a reverse.
That backdoor has been pretty much para sa Nueva Ecija.
Celis. Karandang. Fires the three and makes the three.
Second three of the ball game.
Robles. Yes.
That's what I meant. Because you don't score and then Sean Umali, who just scored 20 points in the last game. Because there are going to be sacrifices on those names that I just mentioned as Bulacan hits a three and this is only a 7-point game. No, make that 9. Macaloni, bilis ng sagot.
Oo. Interesting.
Mas alam pa niya kaysa sa atin?
Oo. Hindi, may na-release na yata.
Right.
To the teams.
Yep.
Nino Ibanez, our
Specialty.
JC Colliar lays it in. Gets the rebound. Takbo ang Nueva Ecija.
Touch
Colliar.
pass.
Nice pass
There you
to
go.
Macaloni.
Yeah. You could just see from afar.
Tosejo, baba kay Macaloni. Macaloni spins. One-hander drops.
That ball screen on top.
Leak out by JB Bayo. And JB Bayo will score. Lead is balloon. Lawrence Malyari, who's hardly seen action in this ball game. Lawrence Malyari puts it in for 2. Guliano. On the kick out, Ibanez. Osicos. Yes.
A beautiful play right there. This is the second time for me to watch him live. I'm really impressed of how steady of a point guard he is. Yeah, I'm gonna say Paulo Hubalde.
Aber. Nabatayan ni Costello. Malyari. Puts the ball on the deck. Malyari with a pretty move. The pass. Labas muna siya. Ryan. Dire-diretso. Costello puts it in. This end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first and Montero gives it up to Osicos. Down low, Montero puts it in.
That was a deceptive play.
Sa combine ng ating dalawang teams, Manzo. Dada has it. Spins.
Pulido gumalaw.
Layup is
Pulido
good.
talaga gumalaw. You know,
Juliano binawian. Here he is.
ganda.
Like a freight train.
Right. Defense.
Air ball. Robles just in time. Para kay Robles. Culiado. Magbuhos with a
Big
rebound and the finish from Vince Magbuhos. Ito na.
Ito na.
Yes! Woo! Eman Calo. Told you. It wasn't gonna happen in the next play.
You see, you have to say, I called it.
Yes!
I called it.
Legit na, legit.
Legit yun. Eman Calo to achieve 1,000 points.
No.
I would have swiveled my head. I don't think I would be able to answer you right away. He's not really a scorer. Any team he was on.
Arenas layup, yes.
Nice. As a former player, it's not every day that a player can say.
Para dito sa Nueva Ecija. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas. Arenas from the corner, yes. He's like a microwave. Okay.
Nawala nga naman yung assist ni Colliar.
Okay.
Okay. Who's next?
I have breaking news.
Okay, game.
68. And Vince Magbuhos,
Right.
nagpas 20. It was a fantastic performance of the Rice Vanguards, and JB Bayo setting the tone with his intensity and his presence inside the paint. He is our player of the game, brought to you by Buenas. And Bayo went to work in the first quarter, returned in the third, and continued his outstanding play. Really did not take anything for granted in this ball game.
Well, he was solid as a rock from the get-go, from scoring the first 2 points until his last field goal.
The final score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original